Hello children, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing good. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. As I had promised you that I shall be bringing you fresh and brand new lessons, here I am, your own loving Dr. Purnimaji ma'am, President Nyansuda Education Society Bidar, bringing you your lessons. Today we have come on to a very beautiful lesson because this talks about our planet. Which is our planet? That is planet Earth. So today we are going to learn about our planet. As we learn this lesson, we are going to read English lesson today. Come to page number 35 and we shall be reading the lesson. And if you don't understand any word from the textbook, then what you need to do, you have to underline that word and then find out the meaning from the dictionary. So keep the dictionary along with you like this all the time. Okay, let's begin reading. As we read, you know what the rule is, isn't it? Pointer finger rule. Take the pointer finger and bring it down here. Toy, toy, toy. Okay, lesson number 8 from first semester book itself. Class 4, Our Wonderful Planet. Our Earth is one of the 9 planets that orbit around the Sun or on fixed paths. While it orbits or revolves around the Sun, the Earth also rotates on its own axis. It rotates from west to east. West to east. That makes the Sun appear first in the east. The part of the Earth that faces the Sun receives sunlight and has day. The part that is away from the Sun is dark and has night. The rotation of the Earth, which takes 24 hours, causes day and night, while the revolution of the Earth that takes 1 year causes seasons. The Earth is covered with several layers of air and gases. This covering is called atmosphere. Some of the rays of the Sun are harmful to us, but these do not reach the Earth because the atmosphere acts as a shield against these rays. The Earth also has many layers. The topmost layer is called the crust. A vast area of the Earth is covered with water or oceans. The layer of the Earth that lies below the oceans is called basalt. Where there is no ocean, the Earth is dry. We divide this dry area or land into continents or islands. The land is mostly made of rocks called granites. The Earth is not formed in one huge piece. Scientists believe that it is divided into large sections or plates. Underneath the Earth's crust is the layer of hot, liquid rocks. It is so hot inside the Earth that some of these rocks are pushed upwards. They break through the crust at its weakest points, usually where 2 plates meet. Then the plates are pushed apart and we can feel the ground shaking under our feet. These sudden, violent movements under the Earth's surface are called earthquakes. Sometimes the ground shakes so hard that buildings fall, roads and bridges are smashed, and electric power lines break. Earthquakes also occur under the sea. When this happens, it causes giant ocean waves which can be as high as 30 meters. You know, if such giant huge waves come onto the earth, it is called tsunami. You might have heard this name, tsunami. Our planet Earth is a wonderful place to live in. It has large areas of land covered with innumerable trees and plants. Many kinds of birds, insects, and animals make their homes among them. What are these areas? They are forests. We get wood from trees and we use wood to make houses, furniture, railway sleepers and paper. Trees also give us rubber, gum, oils, etc. Cutting down trees in large numbers will destroy the forests, and this will have a bad effect on our planet. A great many of the world's plant and animal species will die. If we wish our planet to remain beautiful, we should see that trees are not cut unnecessarily and that forests remain a home for wildlife. Let us make an effort to keep our planet green and beautiful. So to keep our planet green and beautiful, what should you be doing? You should be planting trees wherever you go, right? Especially in when the rainy season starts to end. This time, you should plant trees, or even at the beginning of the rainy season, so that plants take roots and then they grow into huge trees. Okay? Plant trees and plant plants so that we make an effort in making our beautiful earth a green earth. Thank you. Oh, no thank you yet. I have a couple of words to read to you. I'm going to read these words. Okay, meanings very quickly. Orbit, move around a body in a circle. Second one, revolves, goes around. Third, rotates, turns. Fourth, axis, straight line in the middle round which a body rotates. Fifth, shield, protective covering. Sixth, vast, very large. Seventh, continents, large area of land. Asia and Africa are continents. Eighth, islands, land surrounded by water on all sides. Ninth, violent, happening with great force. 10th, smashed, broken into pieces suddenly. 11th, giant, very big. 12th, innumerable, many that cannot be counted. For example, there are innumerable stars in the sky. 13th, species, that means types. 14th, effort, means attempt. Example, the old man made an effort to get up but could not. So these are the words and their meanings which you have to memorize and practice. And you have to, learn all these words and keep reading the lesson. Also, there are a couple of questions that have been given based on this passage. What you need to do is take a pencil and start answering these questions here itself. In the textbook itself, you can answer. Don't look into the answers given by your teachers. Before that, you have to answer and then check with the answers given by your teacher, so that you will get to know how far you did it correctly and where you went wrong. Is that clear to you? Then that is how you need to be studying. So here we come to the end of this 8th lesson. I shall be bringing to you a couple of more lessons like this. So till then, you do take care of yourselves and keep reading. Thank you.